Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We are discussing about the brain teasers of polynomials. We are in the question number 3, subdivision 4. Divide and check the answer. So it is a 8p cube minus 108p squared plus 486p minus 729 divided by 2p minus 9. So all of you remember we have to arrange in the standard form. So decreasing order of the powers. Okay, first step is that. Otherwise you can't divide it. Okay, now coming to 2 how much za 8, 2 4 za. P how much za p cube, p squared. Now 4 2 za 8, p squared p is p cube plus minus minus 4 9 za 36 p squared. अभी थोड़े बड़े नंबर से इसके लिए थोड़ा संभल कर करने का है. Now this becomes minus, this is plus, p cube वाला कट हो गया, कैंसल. अभी minus plus means subtract, bigger number is minus. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 10 minus 3 is 7, p squared plus 486p then minus 729. Now plus minus, put minus 2 how much za 72. 2 3 za 6, 1 remains, 1 and 2 12, 2 6 za 12. मतलब 72 डिवाइड बाई 2 करने का. 2 3 जा 2 6 जा. ठीक है. सो 36 p एंड p स्क्वायर मतलब इधर आएगा p. नाउ माइनस प्लस माइनस 36 2 जा 72, p इंटू p स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस, isn't it? अभी मल्टीप्लाई करो. 9 6 जा 54, 9 3 za 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So you got 324p. Then what we have to do? Change the sign. P squared ones get cancelled. Now here it is plus and minus. Subtract. Bigger number is positive. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. You got 162p minus 729. Now it is plus 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 2 how much za 162. 2 8 za and 1 za means how much? 81 za. Okay, so 281 za 162 and this p plus minus minus 9 1 za 9, 9 8 za 72. Now change the sign. p1s get cancelled, this one also. Plus and minus, same number. Okay. Now next step is what? Check. dd is equal to di into quotient plus remainder. Write the dd. 8p cube minus 108p squared plus 486p minus 729 is equal to 2p minus 9. Quotient is 4p squared minus 36p plus 81 plus remainder is 0. Okay, now you multiply this one, 2p bracket open, 4p squared minus 36p plus 81 minus 9, 4p squared minus 36p plus 81 plus 0. Now 2 4s are 8, p into p squared, p cube, plus minus minus 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7, p into p squared. Now plus plus plus, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16 and this p. Now minus plus minus, 9 4s are 36, p squared, minus minus plus 9 6 are 54, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. P minus plus minus, 9 1s are 9, 9s are 8s are 72 plus 0. Now 8p cube, only 1 is there, p squared, minus minus you have to add, puts minus sign, 2 plus 6, 8, then 7 plus 3, 10 squared. Now p दोनों प्लस है, प्लस 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 3, 4, p, then minus 7 to 9. Is it the same? 8p cube minus 108p squared plus 486p minus 729. Is it clear? I know it is lengthy sums but not so difficult. Okay, now coming to the 5th sum. It is third question, 5th subdivision. Now it is a q to the power 4 plus 3q squared minus 4 divided by q squared minus 1. See, in the earlier sums, in the worksheets we have seen, if it is a q to the power 4 q squared, if it is not in the decreasing order, means in between something is missing, then we have to put 0 q to the power 3, that end of. We have done, isn't it? But here we are not putting. Why? Because the divisor is also having the power. In all those cases, the divisor was with the power 1. But here the power is 2. So here no need of putting. We'll see. Okay. So it is q squared and q to the power 4. Means either 2 है, either 4 है. तो हम multiply by q squared कर सकते हैं. q squared into q squared is q to the power 4. है ना? बेस सेम है तो पावर को ऐड करो. So 2 plus 2 is 4. ना अभी क्या आया? माइनस 1 q squared. देखो q squared के नीचे ही आया. पहले में कैसा होता था? उधर कुछ तो आता था, इसके लिए इधर कुछ नहीं रहता था. तो इसके लिए हम 0 q क्यूब ऐसे सब लिखते थे, बट इधर जरूरत नहीं है. Now change the sign. So remember where you have to put, where you should not. When it is q squared, in the divisor the power is 2 and here the power is 4, and in those sums no need of putting the extra ones. Now this get cancelled. Here how much it is there? Plus 3 plus 1, 4 q squared minus 4. Now it is plus, here it is plus, so here also it will be plus. Here it is 1, here it is 4, here it should be 4. 1 4s are 4. Here it is q squared, here it is q squared. No need of putting. So 4 into q squared is 4q squared plus minus 4 1s are 4. Now change the signs. This get cancelled, even this get cancelled. Same number with the opposite sign. Then answer is 0. Now it is check. It is dd is equal to di into quotient plus remainder. dd is q to the power 4 plus 3q squared minus 4 is equal to q squared minus 1, and this is q squared plus 4, remainder is 0. Now q squared plus 4 minus 1, again q squared plus 4 plus 0. q squared, q to the power 4. When you multiply, add the powers. This one became plus 4q squared. This one minus q squared and minus 4 plus 0. q to the power 4, 4 minus 1, 3. That is 3 plus 3q squared minus 4 plus 0, minus 4. Same. Understood? It was third question, fifth subdivision. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the sixth sum. P to the power 4 plus 63 by 4 p squared minus 5 divided by p squared minus 1 by 4. See here again it is p squared and here it is p to the power 4. So directly we can divide. So p squared p to the power 4 means here it will be p squared. So p squared into p squared will be p to the power 4 plus minus 1 by 4 p squared. Now sign change. Now add 63 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It is 64 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 2 remains, 2 and 4, 24. 4 6 are. So you got how much? 16. Understood? So you have to add this, then you will get 16p squared minus 5. Now it is plus 1, 16s are 16, p squared. So no need. So it becomes 16 into p squared, 16p squared. Now plus minus 16 into 1 by 4. 16 into 1 by 4. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So you got how much? Minus 4. Hope everyone is understanding this. Okay. Now change the sign. P squared ones get cancelled. Now it is minus 5 plus 4. It becomes minus 1. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. Now check. dd is equal to di into quotient plus remainder. So dd is what? P to the power 4 plus 63 by 4 p squared minus 5 is equal to di is p squared minus 1 by 4 and the quotient is p squared plus 16 plus remainder is minus 1. Okay, now multiply. It is p squared multiplied by p squared plus 16 minus 1 by 4 p squared plus 16 plus minus 1. Is it clear? P squared, add the powers, p to the power 4. P squared into 16 p squared. Now this one will be minus 1 by 4 p squared. This one will be plus and minus 16 by 1 by 4 into 16, isn't it? 1 by 4 into 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. This is 4. Now here minus 1. This one. Now this p to the power 4. Here 16 and minus 1 by 4. See, 16 minus 1 by 4. Now take the LCM. Here it is 1. 1 4s are 4 16s are. How much it will be? 4 16s are 16 4s are 64 minus 1. So how much you got? 63 by 4. So 16p squared minus 1 by 4p squared becomes minus 60, sorry, this is plus 63 by 4p squared minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Same you got p to the power 4 plus 63 by 4p squared minus 5. So all these calculations you have to do in the work. If there is a fraction, better be careful about the calculation part. Okay, then you have completed the third question. Hope everyone understood all the 6 sums of third question. Divide and check the answer. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.